Hey yo guys, for today's video, napadpad ako sa market sa BGC para maghanap ng mga Pop Mart and syempre may kamit up ako to sell a couple of toys. Pero nagulat ako dahil meron na naman gimmick sa Ayala. For this one is apparently may concert or may karaoke fest ng Mariah Carey stuff. May pang mga talents, iba-ibang mga tracks. It's really weird pero it's very fun din kasi magagaling din naman yung mga kumakanta as you can see here. Pero yung pinaka-kicker here is may surprise kanta, may surprise performance si Zendy. If you remember si Zendy back a few years ago, sobrang galing kumanta, parang TikTok superstar na to eh. So for her to be appearing here and belting out really good Mariah covers, really impressive. Hindi ko na-expect to, so nakaaliw din siya in fairness. Pero ayun nga, nakipag-bonding din siya sa mga nakipag-jamming siya with the other singers. So surprise, it's a nice treat and syempre, magaling yung cover niya ng Mariah. Definitely magaling yung pinili nilang song choice for this performance. Oh, and nga pala, it looks like Mariah Carey is coming back to the Philippines and it's going to be to celebrate the 20th anniversary ng emancipation of Mimi na album that came out like years ago. So it's a big deal, I guess, for Mariah Carey fans, and if you're a fan of Mariah, this is a good time to get the tickets apparently.